Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this VOWVIT VOWVIT rowing machine for home. It's a water rowing machine with Bluetooth monitor and tablet holder. You can use the Kinomap, for example, app as an companion in workouts because it's an app compatible water rowing machine and it's really easy to assemble. And the maximum user height will be 210 centimeters. So you can be allowed to use that device here. And it's super stable, and of course durability is in good conditions. It's made from high quality steel. This home rowing machine is built to last and support users up to 160 kilograms. The adjustable stabilizer improves the stability and ensures a solid training experience. And the long rail allows users with a leg length of up to 110 centimeters and a maximum user height of 210 centimeters to row comfortably. And as you can see, the installation process is really easy. And no water lags. Never worry about legs again. Whether we are exercising or storing the rowing machine vertically, the high-quality 12-blade water tank offers a high resistance and it has 6 adjustable water levels. The faster we row, the stronger the resistance, simulating the real feeling of rowing in water, challenging and motivating us to push ourselves to our limits and above. Smooth and a quiet rowing machine here. Experience the smooth propulsion system that ensures a smooth strokes and returns in every risk of blockage eliminated. The ergonomic handle, dual aluminum rail design, and 3-seat rollers ensures a comfortable and efficient workout. Oh, we can hear only the soothing sound of the water. We can enjoy a calm and immersive training experience. Oh, that's cool. That's comfortable, of course. An indoor rower is a nice designed machine because an indoor rower or a rowing machine is a machine used to simulate the action of watercraft rowing for the purpose of exercise or training for rowing. Modern indoor rowers are often known as ergometers. This is in colloquially erg or an ergo because they measure the work performed by the rower, which can be measured in ergs. Indoor rowing has become established as a sport, drawing a competitive environment from around the world. The term indoor rower also refers to a participant in this sport. Chabrias, an Athenian admiral of the 4th century BC, introduced the first rowing machine as supplemental military training device to train inexperienced arms. Chabrans built wooden rowing frames on shore where beginners would learn techniques and timings before they went on board ship. So, really cool. And early rowing machines are known to have existed from the mid-1800s. A U.S. patent being issued to W.B. Curtis in 1872 for a particularly hydraulic-based damper design. Machines using linear pneumatic resistance were common around 1901. Of the most popular was the Narragansett hydraulic rower, manufactured in Rhode Island from around 1900 up to 1960. And in the 70s of the 19th, the Gisong Nielsen ergometer from Norway used a friction brake mechanism with the industrial strapping applied over the broad rim of the flywheel. The weights hanging from the straps ensured that the adjustable and the predicted friction could be calculated. And of course, here it comes. This here is a water rower. That's the special behind this. And that's the really cool thing behind this. Because this makes this machine so much more. And we have an adjustable Bluetooth monitor. The large monitor with the adjustable tablet holder provides real-time information with time, strokes, distance, calories burned, total strokes, and pulse. We connected with, for example, Kinomap, Kinomap, for interactive training. Access virtual courses, compete against others, and enjoy immersive visual effects. 90% pre-assembled. We spend more time rowing and less time assembling. This water rowing machine is delivered 90% pre-assembled, of course. With the included multilingual instruction manual, we will have a clear and conscious instruction to easily set it up in under 20 minutes. Or you have to look this video or the assembly video by me on my channel. Then we can say goodbye to the frustrating of complicated assembly and quickly immerse ourselves in our rowing workout. And of course, as you can see, it's space-saving design. We optimized the living space with this compact and particle falling water rowing machine. Thanks to the integrated transport wheels, the rowing machine is good for home and can be easily moved and stored when upright. It reduces the space required in our home by up to 80%. This keeping us workout area neat and tidy. We can assemble it fast and we can use it. And rowing is a really good sport because it is for nearly every muscle in your body good. And of course, it is really cool and nice to hear the nice sound of that VOWVIT rowing machine for home use. It's a water rowing machine with Bluetooth monitor and tablet holder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.